This video is just a quick preview of one of over 200 step-by-step percussion lessons included in our Bongo Chops membership. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and head over to bongochops.com to start your free 7-day trial and check out everything we've got on the site.
It's time for us to build a small practice routine to cover some of the essential concepts and exercises that we've learned in this course. This routine will simply be a guide that you can refer to help structure your practice time. So feel free to tailor it to your specific needs by swapping in any exercises, phrases, or riffs you'd like to work on. We can use this routine in addition to or in place of the Bongos 101 routine. So again, feel free to combine any of the exercises from either routine for a longer practice session or one that is more focused on specific aspects of what you'd like to improve on in your own playing. Once we have our drums tuned up and we've taken a moment to stretch and get in the zone, we'll be ready to jump in. If you need to review any of the exercises that we'll cover in this practice routine, they're all included in depth and detail throughout the course. For the purposes of this video, I'll only be playing each exercise for a minute or so, but you'll see a range for the amount of time you want to spend on them included with each one. So now that you're prepared with your paper and pencil, metronome, and some water to stay hydrated, take a deep breath and let's jump in. So let's start off by playing open tone single strokes in each hand on each drum to get some blood flowing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on playing through a couple different subdivisions. We'll start with eighth notes, then triplets, and lastly 16ths, each for 2 bars apiece. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on that small variation of our 3x3 single stroke warm-up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now one more time at a bit more challenging tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4.